Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K40 and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works. So let's lock our device by tapping on the power key and let's make few unlocks. So you don't have to press the power key, you can just put your finger here. As you can see, it works really fast. It recognizes my fingerprint every time, so I can say that this sensor is reliable. And honestly, it's one of the fastest sensors that I have ever used. So yeah, that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.